This is proofing exercise for impulse control. Kota already knew not to jump on people or me, but I do want to show how I proof that behavior in situations where he gets excited. So in this clip, I am creating excitement for him to jump. The moment he touches me with his paws, I tell him the off cue. The goal isn't to not jump, it's what I want him to do instead of jumping. As soon as he brings all 4 paws back to the ground, I mark yes and reward. I repeated this multiple times to tell him that you get rewarded when you're on the ground, not when you're on me. This is exactly how you strengthen impulse control. By rewarding the exact moment they make the right choice, not correcting the wrong one. Most people think saying no will work when it comes to jumping, but this is how you actually proof it without saying no. Hope this video helps.